Now as we come up here, I'm going to make my first of two turns. I'll bring the waterfalls up on the right. You'll have the town and the beaches on the left. And you can see how they cut that road into the cliff face to get down there. Now, if you do come to Molokai, there's only one operator that has the right to hike people to the very back here of Halava Valley. He has to cross state and private land to get there. And then everything else that I'm going to show you here on the northeast side of Molokai is only accessible by air. There's no hiking trails and no roads. So the only way to see it is how you guys are doing it.
Take this one, I think this one is good. Yeehaw.
Now, if we come up here, we are starting to climb up on top of Molokai. And if you guys look straight ahead, left and right, you'll see that the ground is disappearing quite rapidly. That's because we're going to come right off the top of the famous sea cliffs of Molokai. They are the world's tallest, and at certain points they eclipse over 3,000 feet.
Oh, look.